Yo, peeps. Yo. Ugh. Mike is nasty. Nasty, my boy. Yo, what's that on your nose, bro? That shit's fucking weird. Oh. That shit's like weird. Mad weird, my boy. Where are we going? I think we're going up. Yeah, I called it out. It was down yonder. Little sell side there. I mean, we might be able to get it. I don't know because it left that open and it's so far up now. Does it look like it wants to retrace it all? Like that's a nice extension through there. Usually when it turns around, it's like a little poke above. And then But I mean that's a fucking fat extension up there. That could be a target for after hitting this and coming back down to it. Some hell of a day, huh? Ugh. Big boy profits. Big boy. Damn. Rakita. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Things just flying.
You have 10 minutes to get to the banquet.
Yo! We're live. What up, boy? Target. Tarjeta. We're looking to go higher here, boys. Big boy highs. Oh. See what this sucker wants to do. Little old high skis here. $15 ferret. What do we like? What do we like? Ugh. Rocket up the buy side and then take out sell side. It's a nice run up pre-market. It's a nice run. I think we hit yesterday's high and then come back down. YM just did it. There we go. Down. Down. How we doing? How we doing? What's the vibe? What's the vibe? On 34 is the vibe. Ugh. YM heading a little lower here, as NASDAQ is reluctant to go down there. Reluctant. We got a little lick boy down south, eh? Here comes ES sliding a little bit. We invert that, we might want to go down to here, and then after we liquidate this, we can go up. But this, if it's strong, it's gonna just rock it up. Looks like it's what it wants to do. We go ES here. Right around this area. Like I said, I'm watching this fair value gap here on ES. See how that reacts. This guy. This guy. Fat 15-minute fair value gap right here. Fat boy. Order block, fair value gap. Higher time frame draw on liquidity. We are inside of the 9:30 open, so I'm not trying to get into any trades, but I do like this buy skis here. I'd probably take it on NASDAQ, because NASDAQ's stronger. I'd probably take an IFN the 15-minute on NASDAQ. Just because it's a wee bit on the stronger side. Just a wee bit. Should want to support price here. If it doesn't, then it's definitely exceedingly weak. It's a good area. Good area of support. Very good, very good. First Fairvey. Already in. Also in on NASDAQ. Little breaker boy. The bass drop kind of hit. I like to see this fair value gap inverted. We go right here. I'll get into a trade. Like to see this guy traded over, touch backed into, and then hold for 552.87. It's one tick above. One ticky. I dig it. I dig it. Trading back down to that 5-minute fair value gap. Reaction from here. Don't have a wick over it. This could just be a wick to trade into it. We go mid wick here. Let's see how far down it got. Does it get to the mid wick? Misses it by a little bit right there. That little tail. Just by a wee bit. Oh, coming down now. Gets it. See, like I said, order block, fair value gap, higher time frame draw liquidity. This could be a great area for the little buy guy. Just like it's doing now. She's ripping. She's a runner. She's a track star. She gonna ride the way. She gonna get high. Good reaction from that area. Super strong support resistance area. Dynamic support and resistance. Support. I like to see it go higher though. If we do get an extension below this, I will take another fair value gap lower. So if we create a fair value gap below this low, I'll take it to this sell side here. But I do want to see it run higher ultimately. I don't want to take a scalp the other way. I'd rather just take a nice fucking buy. Low risk trade right there. This John trappy right now. It is a little bit. Run up, run a little bit lower. I'm looking at ES, I'm looking at ES right now. NASDAQ, it's playing a little stronger here. Didn't have as low as a run. So that would be a nice buy. ES is closer to its to yesterday's high than it is NASDAQ. NASDAQ is the stronger one to run to it though. I do like it. So you have the 5-minute fair value gap inside the 15-minute fair value gap here with the order blocks. So I'm waiting for the first break and read. First break and read. Just give me a fair value gap, bro. I'm in. Some weird structure right there. Didn't respect it, so I'm definitely guessing it's going to be breaking to the upside here. We'll see. What's the leverage am I putting on this thing? 3? It's not like a convincing close, bro. They are closes, but like, fuck. Let's see if it drops down. Put a buy limit at like 51. Sell stop here. $10-point stop loss, no big deal. 127 bucks. I don't hate it. Kind of going a little bit lower than I'd like. Should see a nice little reaction from there. Nice. Should want to run. Once we break that high, we should be fucking solid. Little inverge. Inverge guy. If I got in too early, I'll probably just hop in again once we break that. I mean, we could trade all the way back down here one more time and then go. I could see it. It would just be clean if it went now. Like super, super clean. Because we technically already did come back down and hit it. Let's see. We'll give it another 2 candles here. No abort. Abort mission. Mitigate the old stop loss a little bit. $100 here. What up, Patty? We in it, baby. NASDAQ looking a little bit stronger here. I like the setup on ES. ES, much cleaner. So first take profit. We'll take one off just because, you know, KP is going to get his panties all in a bunch if I don't. We'll start yelling at me through the computer. We'll take one off there. Where's the next one? 86.5. I'll move that to break even though. I like even money. 86.5. No, I like 87. 87, another sell limit on. It's all right. This time I'll hit full TP and then I'll be like, yeah, whatever. Or I'll just come back down and stop me out for break even. That'd be funny. Yeah, NASDAQ's first presenter was fucking dirty too, bro. That shit was so clean. Here comes ES all the way back down. Don't stop out old T, Fred. Where's my stop loss at? It's at a pretty decent spot. It's not the worst spot I've ever seen. Yeah, I can see that. But like we're so close. Like the opening price is so close to that high. I feel like if it's going to hit that, it's just going to liquidate those highs. Because I do see it going higher, like I said. ES opening price is right here. I have it delineated with these lines. And that's the opening range gap. That's the close of yesterday with this gap down here. And that's the opening of today. So that's the gap. And then I have the 50% of that line. Where the hell is 50%? Oh, that kind of like salmon dotted line. The salmon dotted. Let's see. I mean, NASDAQ already liquidated its high, so I could definitely see some SMT happening right here. So NASDAQ already hit its high. So it would have been already 1 TP. This is probably going to hit my stop loss here. Unless it wants to hit that again and go. That's a big, big line in the sand. Big, because you also have an order block right there. So I'd like it to rocket from there, but we get the old break even. Even Steven. It's all good, bro. The shit happens. The shit, it's a trade. The shit happens. But why didn't we copy on the old ES? Pre-allocated Freddy Funds ES 2025. Why didn't we pre-allocate a mini for that, bro? I don't know why I didn't take a trade. It's weird. Connections, top step, disconnect. Connect. I'm up another sandwich today, boys. Break even. How about it? I gotta figure this the fuck out. Yeah, I have the right account selected. They're all showing on. Well as these. Should be, so no matter what trade I put onto that, it should be fucking good. Anyway. Alright, well, this thing doesn't want to extend higher yet. Let's see if we want to tap back into this fair value gap here and keep going. Like I said, it can't come back down. I thought it could also just come back down from here, tap this again, and then go. If it taps back down in here, it's kind of weird. Definitely can go lower now. Near term. Near term, it can absolutely go lower from here, but long term, like throughout the day, I don't see it going lower. I see it ultimately going higher sometime today to liquidate yesterday's high. All the liquidity up there, people who are shorting, moving their stop losses down, trying to trail this fucking drop. Not as clean as I'd like to see it. You got the 10 a.m. macro right now. 950, 1010. This could be the real move right here. Everything else was just a facade. A facade. There she goes. There she goes. Damn, just a little stop run and then go. GG's, my boy. GG's. My stop loss would have got fucking nicked by a tick, bro. My original one. But I'm glad I moved my stop loss to break even. This little rejection from the opening price. I think we'll run higher right there. 15-second. You got a order block breaker. I think you run higher from there. And you can tap back down to this fair value gap here. That'd be super nice. We can get that right here. That could be the ticket. What's that 5 minute look like right there? Mid wick's a little higher. Order blocks right there. Just a little too high right now for me to even chase it. I can see a rip though. I can see a rip. That noise, John, is that majestic one I see online. It's just a random one. Yeah, 100%. Good job moving to break even. Like I said, I like that tap in right there, that fair value gap. Let's see the reaction. I'm not going to trade that, but good time of day to trade it. But with that retrace right there, it now becomes kind of more 50-50 in a sense. What? Oh, magnetic. Oh. I thought it said majestic, bro. It says magnetic. I got it online. He said, where'd you get majestic from? I read that too quick. I said that noise, John, sounds like it's majestic. Yeah, I did read it too quick. Nose, John, is magnetic. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I got that shit online. So, good fair value gap right there. We're seeing some extension higher from that. Beautiful. Shut up, KP. Nerd. Nerd. Nose John. Nose Johnny. Should rip. Should rip. If it don't rip, that'd be weird. Be weird if it doesn't. $15 looks great. There she goes. Meow. TP1. Smack. There she goes up for TP2. She's flying. She's a runner. She's a track star. Yeah, these days stink, man. There it is, TP2. How you doing? Thank you very much. Come again. Right about the idea. Would have tripled my money right there. Would have been a 1 to 3. That shit would have been fucking nasty. But yeah, just came out and stopped me out of broke even and then went. I love it. That's how it's done. That's how you do it. I love it. Yesterday's high. Bang. How you doing? How you doing? Hey, how you doing? Yoink. Yep. The high is perfect. 52.87 on the dot. Or a little retrace. That was that old take profit, my boy. What's my risk like nowadays? What is it? Like $150 for all my accounts? So risking 150. Would have made 450 on that. Would have had one running still. See how high we can get into this fair value gap. Would have been trailing this last order. I can see it get up into here. Friday's high. Or Friday's versus Fairvy. You also have the 1 hour liquidity up here. The swing high from up here. Close proximity. 915, 930 high. Let's go to the 15 minute. Yeah. It's right near there. So see it, could see it. First 15-minute order blocks in. Damn, that Johnny was crazy, bruh. Just had a little stop run, then yoink. See ya. It said yoink. It said, sure, I'll take that. I'll take that back to the house. It said, I mean, why not? You know? At the same, baby, same joints. That's right. Yep. I was thinking about buying down here, bro. Like, fuck. I should have. I should have just fucking sent an order when this 15-minute candle was bold. Sent it when it was in here. I'd have been chilling. Stop loss would have been moved to break even. That shit would have came all the way down. KP would have started yelling at me. Then I would have went all the way to TP. Oh, man. Big Sean. Big Sean Dawn. I have a little bit of nasal drip right now. Oh. Dude, I had it. I had the trade. I was in here. That little arrow and first presented on ES. I got in at the mid-wick of this candle. Mid-wick was like kind of the middle of this. Came down all the way to here. Stop loss was like down in this area. Moved to break even. Came down, stopped me out. Would have stopped out the original stop. And then fucking hit. Because blame me, I could take it. Nah, bro. I followed my rules right there. That's all good. Just looking back, I just should have fucking lasered one off of here, bro. But it was not. It was before 9:30, so. Or before like 9:45. So I had to wait a little bit. But like even there, anything below that, I wanted to wait till it got up above first presented. So I think I did everything that I should have done. Honestly, I followed everything that I followed. That was good. Just, dude, 3 back-to-back break evens when my profits were floating above like 80%. That's just rule following, bro. That's it. Well, it is. NASDAQ, I do think it's going to keep getting up there, though. All right, let's follow NASDAQ now that we already followed ES here, because NASDAQ still has some room to keep going. Yesterday's high. NASDAQ at 18,361. So, a little tape read up to there. I like to see a short-term low get run out, not just stair step its way up. I'll get into a trade if we take out a short-term low. Because just like we said, boy, that's the setup. Just like here, look. Perfect setup right here. You have all these lows open. take out all these lows. If your direction's up, you take out all these lows right here. And now, look, we have a great fucking area to buy off of right there at the first presented. Break, retest here, and then first TP would have got hit on NASDAQ, and then stop loss would have got hit. So I decided to take it on ES. I saw ES a little bit better. But yeah, that's about it. NASDAQ had a great IOFED in the 15-minute, dude. That would have been a nasty buy, bro. 937 buy, dude. I literally thought about it, bro. I'm telling you. I promise I did. That was just 937. Good luck on that ace. Atta boy. Don't even matter. Pay the man. $15. Too many. Give me a short-term low broken. Double. Face down. 7. Whoa, bam. Let's go. 18, boy. 18, boy. I mean, shit. Now I'd have to break this low before. I wish that was going to be a short term. Technically. Wait. I mean, technically, that's a short term low. 2 lows here. This creates a swing. Dip down into an order block. Technically. $15-minute media rebounds would be 30. Yeah, because then it liquidates this short-term low. That'd be nasty, bro. ES hit off its first presented from Friday. Look at this. Look at the precision, bro. Precision. So your PDA right above your target, it's most likely what's going to get hit. And dude, first presented from Friday. If we go all the way back to the fair value gap from Friday, where the hell is it? Where are we in price? Is it not going to load for me? Is this Friday? Yeah. Why isn't it loading? Anyway, this would be the first presented from Friday right here. 932. And that's exactly where, if you're looking up here where ES hit off of. Bam. Smokes it, dude. Smokes it. Where'd it go? I don't know why it's not showing. It's weird. Copy, paste. Ah! Ooh, the post-nasal drip, boy. That shit will get you. Paste. There goes NASDAQ over that short-term low. Now we're getting a run higher. I'd like to see it drop down a little bit more over a more significant swing low. Nope, don't want to go to YM. Fuck that. Nope, don't want to go to dollar. Fuck that. Yeah, technically that is a short-term low, and then you buy that as it's going higher, but I would rather see something better. Like, give me this IOFED right here. Like, trade back over this low again. Like, build up some liquidity here. But it probably won't do it for your boy. They'll probably just run for your boy. Yep. I mean, now you could trade that breaker. Now you could trade that 1-minute breaker, Johnny. Now you could trade that 1-minute breaker, Johnny. Is it $85, bro? What the fuck? Oh. Love to see this get run out. Would love to see that get run. That low out right there. It's a 10-minute look like. 10-minute just closed. I mean, there's a fair value gap down there. It doesn't have to get all the way down there, but 30-minute Johnny. Nah, 15's much better. Was thinking about entering that. Glad I didn't. I'd like to see that swing low get fucking waxed, bro. No way NASDAQ just leaves it, right? It is a Six Sister trade here, so Six Sister meaning that ES already hit its terminus, and now this is still a little bit to go to hit its terminus. So I'd like to see it drop down below. If we can get a drop below here, bro, the next fucking I'll probably trade on the 15. The next fair value gap on the 15, I'll fucking buy the shit out of it. In a perfect world, I'd like to see it stay in this area. Don't liquidate this low in the next 3 minutes so you create that 15-minute fair value gap. Perfect world. You can get a 15-minute immediate rebalance as well. So, let's be off which high? Should be off this high right here. So that's technically a breaker high on the 1 minute low. High, lower low. Up here. Breaker high. Trade all the way down to there. And then rocket higher. So I'll probably take a trade off of this high then. When it liquidates this low. I'll take a trade off that high. Because in the 15 second, it's going to be a nice breaker. A nice breaker. Nice. So risk is probably going to look something like this. I'll do it like a tick below. Because like the bodies are like in there. So like, I'll take it from like, fuck. Somewhere around there. Stop loss would be there. It's just a 1 to 1.5 still though, bro. Low gotta get liquidated. Low has to get waxed. I like the relative equal lows now. Build up liquidity. Manipulate the one side, consolidation, manipulation, distribution. I'll get into the distribution cycle. You build up the orders, fake them out going one way. Breakout artists are in sell stops. After it hits those, fucking activate those orders, rip it the opposite way. And then their stop losses are going to be up here after getting a sell stop this way. And then liquidate them as it goes higher. They're trying to predict the high of the market right now, and I don't think that's going to be the high. I do need these lows to get run, though. For me to even think about getting into a trade. Let's find out. So I'm on the 15 second. This is a great area to buy once we run these lows. I would not buy this if it doesn't run it. So let's go to 15 second real quick. So you have the breaker right here. Low, high, lower, low. You have the order block right here on top of it. So if we get that run below these lows, bang, bang, and then hit this again, this would be the breaker as well with this breaker and this order block. So many good stuff going on right here. But I would just, like I said, I would just need to have it run the low. Literally left relative equal lows. It needs to quickly reject too. It needs to run the lows and then pop. Quick. I like to see it run these lows quick and then quick back up out of the water. Like just dunk its head in. Quick, quick. I don't want to see it trickle down there. I want to see it stop out those guys first really fast and then go back up. can absolutely just rock it from there and I'll just miss the trade. That's just fucking trading. And it is what it is. I'm totally cool with it. Goes. Or she blows. Now leaves relative equal highs. I love that. Love that. I'll pop a fat chub if we fucking liquidate these lows, bro. I'll pop the fattest chub. Do a little price alert so I don't fucking miss it if something happened. Price alert. Ooh. Crossing. There we go. I love planning out trades like this, bro. Like, it just makes me feel so just more confident because I'm already mentally preparing myself for that trade setup now to form. So when it comes, like, I'm not going to, like, bitch out about it, you know? Oh, 22. KP, we had a good time at the casino, brother. 21, baby. Pay the man. Crazy Duke loss, bro. Like, what the fuck? Crazy. 20 points is fucking nuts. There you go, an old Nazi D right there. She's a runner. Oh, man. Feels Batman. Feels Batman. Feels Batman. Still can come all the way and liquidate it and then keep that intact, and I'd still take a buy. But, yeah, come on down to Dad. Yeah, Florida just getting fucking, just getting the easy layups, bro. Just getting the easy, just like, here you go. How you doing? I got my headphones in. I'm gonna go grab a snack. Love these peanut butter pretzels. Fucking great. Uh-oh. Dude, this Trump presidency is fucking awesome. It's just so wild, bro. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yesterday's high is going to get smacked, but I'd like to see that swing low get liquidated first. I don't think it will. Don't think it will. Fuck. So you're gonna come down. Coming down. Here she comes. Let's watch this descend on the 15 second. This is how I learn. So from right now, this is bearish until we're looking here. So we want to see this order block get held. Now, if it keeps ripping above it, obviously it's going to keep going higher. But that's a good reaction off this order block here. But breaker, high, low, higher, high. We're inside of it now. We're getting a great reaction. We need to blow by these order blocks, these bullish order blocks here, and keep extending for these lows.
little bit higher than I'd like to see it. I don't want to see it extend through this high now. If it extends through, it gets up to about 18,330. No bueno. Right there. Should want to see lower prices from right there. 18,300. Don't keep going higher now. We're going to go for them lows. All right. Do we extend above this high? It's looking like it. I don't want it to poke its head above it. There you go. That's a nice little extension. Now I think we're going to be bullish. Very nice. Missed it by a tick though, brother. Damn, look at that. Crazy reaction. Trump say some dumb shit again? Still have yet to deliver yesterday's high. Damn. Damn, Patty. Watch out for these lows now. There you go. These lows here. We can get back up this level. I'll probably short it just to these lows. And then I'll go long as it's going higher. Missed it by a little bit. Nice consolidation. You also have a swing high right there, bro. There's a lot of stuff that goes into that. Come on, go ahead. Buy stop. It'd be fine if it liquidates it. It'd be weird if it just doesn't. I'm gonna break even here big time. Way too far in profit to give it all back. Be weird if it doesn't. Ah, there we go. See if I would have got stopped out there. Just cookie jar approach, baby. Leaving so much liquidity down here. I'm so glad I got out there. Good shit. Would have got stopped out. It's just so surprising. It just leaves that. So surprising. Trades all the way up to this fair value gap now, and now is probably going to liquidate this down here. It leaves another fair value gap. I'll probably get in sync with it, but it doesn't leave a fair value gap. I ain't touching it. But still have that buy side, so you got to be super careful. That's why I put my whole TP down those lows, because I think it's just going to liquidate those and just bounce and rock it. So take the sell side of the trade, then buy those buy limits or sell stops, and then fucking rock it. Very strange. Didn't take them out. They'll probably leave those here. Go up, trade up into this area some more, and then trade to those like around like lunch or later morning. Whatever size you use half of that shit. It's tough, man. Yeah, I mean, I still would have got stopped out here, man. Yeah, I'm not willing to risk one to make one. I definitely am only willing to risk one to make two. But I'm cool with breaking even, bro. I'm so cool with not losing money. Like I've kind of like, I don't know why I'm like that, but I'm cool with breaking even all the time. Like breaking even is just such a win, because the game is preserving capital. It's not winning money. So if I can preserve my capital at any time, and I like when it moves a lot to my take profit, like you can see this candle, right? I get in right there near the top of the wick, comes all the way down, basically like more than halfway to my take profit. So I'm like, all right, yeah, this is going to be a quick market. If it comes back up, I'm not willing to risk anymore. And then you see, then it just rips through it. Next time it hits it again, it just would totally liquidate me. So I like break even moves, not when it's like near it, but like definitely when it's like it's profit, like a lot of profit, like at least over 50%, like 100%. At least when it's over 50%, 100%. Now we're just stuck in the middle of the range. It could go either way here. Stuck there. Obviously, like I'd love to see the buy side get run, but I mean the sell side would be nasty to run first, then go higher. Then I would definitely get into a buy. But until then, I can't really do that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till the 11 o'clock macro. See what up. You sticking around though, KP? All right, you better close that fucking Ninja Trader. I'll tell you what. Yo, you know you can't misspell shit, bro. I can't read to begin with. So with you misspelling shit, bro, that's gonna confuse me. You know I can't already read. Yeah, we're just kind of going back and forth now. Just holding it till 11, baby. Holding it till that 10:50 mark. Got 10 minutes. Ah. All right, let's get to this 10 o'clock, boy. Dun, 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 dun. Shit is crazy, bro. Shit is nuts, dude. There she goes, a little bit lower. Just sitting here playing a fucking video game, bro. Boring as shit. We're a whole. Oh, I didn't mean to hit him. Most massive cave system in the fucking world, bro. I haven't played Minecraft in fucking years, bro. I just log on, dude. I like downloading the Pocket Edition, bro. There's so much shit in this shit now. I'm like, what the fuck? I don't even know what half of this shit means. I wish I did. The shit is just insane, bro. These caves are fucking massive. There she goes for the sell side. See ya. Let's see that buy side take over now. All right, we'll lock it in here. We'll tape read for higher. Beauty. Beauty of a sell side run. $5-minute, got the 15-minute Fairview right here. Can go down into. Little Fairview. 15-minute Fairview. Yes, looking like it wants to trade a little bit lower. Still got some sell side there. This thing wants to turn around eventually, bro. When's 11 o'clock hit? We're hitting it soon. And just leaves relative equal highs on the daily. No shot. No shot. It just leaves them. I think we're going to go higher. Once we break and retest this, I'll throw one micro on, put the stop loss at like a fat fucking level. Just ride this shit to the fucking Narnia. Damn, look at that reaction, bro. Fuck. Yeah, dang. Bro, this thing's messy. Yeah, dang. Look at that 15-minute fair value gap. Look at that touch, that reaction, boy. Look at that touch, that reaction, boy. Bro, this micro is fucking people up right now. This shit's printing some weird ass candles. Tell you what. Look at that fucking reaction, bro. Shit's nasty. Lionel Messi. Lionel. Fuck, I can only put one mini or one micro on it, bro. Fuck. That shit crazy, yo.
right, we'll see where I need to put this shit. No. All right, what level's that? 66 even. 40 tick SL or 40 point SL. Let's see. 66 even's kind of crazy. Dig down into it a little bit deeper. That's fine. I dig it. Now we get an upwards reaction from there, bro. Breaker. Oh, fuck. Inversion. Farabee. Need that John to hold, though. Need that John to hold. Bro, I'm so in there if that shit gives me it. So in there. Shit, I might put a fucking bag on this one, bro. I'll lose 200 for this. Here we go, 1050 coming up, like the doctor ordered. All right, 1050, here we go. This is what I'm looking for right here, boys. Get in right there. Let's see. Is it going to want to extend lower here? No way. Once it makes a swing low, gotta reject, bro.
Damn, it's extending through it. I think we might be going lower. Crazy how it just left that old daily high right there. Insane. What's it on MNQ? I think it gets it. High 60.25, high 57.25. Damn. Doesn't even get it. Crazy. Maybe once that 1 hour IO fed yank. Let me go back up. I'll take that trade though, right there. I haven't mapped out. Damn, that bitch is just falling off a cliff, huh? ES now kind of looking smooth. Better go to the bathroom real quick. Fuck. Shit. Super fast. Ew. Things falling off a cliff, my boy. It said see ya. It said bye. Bye, Felicia. Yeah, it sucks. GG's. Sorry, that was break even on 2 trades today, bro. Fuck it. Damn, this thing's just fucking dropping, bro. Dropping. Dropping like a mug. What the fuck was that? Shit's dropping like a motherfucker. $100 is nasty, bro. You gotta know that fair value gap, bro. Hell yeah. Brother Johnny, drop him. Chocolate dropping. I mean, fuck, I guess we just leave him, huh? I mean, like, fuck, dude. One to one my fucking ass, bro. I ain't doing that shit. No shot. Check it out, KP. Let's check it out. Damn. Beast. That purple and green, baby. It's that purple and green. It's that, yeah. It's that, yeah, boy. Cause I'm super hot, boy. Look at that, attacking that sell side right there. Damn! Give me that shit, boy. It said, yup, give me that. Let's go back. Let's backtrack now. Yep, all those people that moved their stop losses higher, trying to catch that shit. Liquidated. I think it's going to keep going lower, bro. Shit. I don't know. NASDAQ still has that fucking upside, though. This is where it gets tricky to try to figure out where the fuck it wants to go. Because now I can see NASDAQ still going higher, and now I can see ES still going lower. So probabilities are shrinking as we're speaking. Talk about some eye boogers. Biggest eye boogers I ever had in my life. All right, let's check my emails real quick. dumb. Crazy, my boy. Ain't shit happening now. That shit slid off. Look at that. 1050, bro. That shit slid like a mug. 1045, slide. All till 11 o'clock. Damn. Yeah, I'm not liking anything here, bro. I don't know what the hell it wants to do. To be honest. Might get off here. Gotta type up my trades, though. Type up my trades, though. Just a little late to the party. Ah. Liquidates it again. Love it. I was actually gonna take that fucking sell. Just thinking about it. Oh, this is sad. I would have rocketed though, and I would have fucking break even again. That'd have been funny. What up, been funny? What up, been? Break even on the day. All the other accounts are up except for the one that I'm showing right now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Take a seat. Let's stand right over there. Stay and leave. Cabinets are there, and I'm unaware of just how we got into this mess. I want to take that sell, but it's also not. Yes. Just typing on my notes. Typing in my notes. Share my notes with you. Damn, first present fucking hit, bro. No shot. That's crazy. Damn, that's dirty. Fuck, dude. That shit fucking hit. I still don't know if I would have taken that, though. I don't think I would have. shit sucks though. I couldn't fucking frame a risk around it. Crazy. Right here. Damn, that's crazy. Short's fucking word, bro. Shit fucking hit. That's the trade I should have been in right there. I could have taken it. It's not a should have because it was the laggard to the downside. Yeah, it's not taking out pre-market lows, bro. That shit's just fucking tanking. Yup, just drop it. And 5. Notes. Up. Crazy. That 5-minute reaction, it's a great fair value gap. Bottom left screen right there. It's fucking clean. Great reaction. Great reaction. Probably gonna keep going lower. I don't even know. Got that higher time frame level up there. Nice. Alright, boys, I think I'm done for the day. Great fucking delivery of price. Fucking wild. Just the cleanest clean I've ever cleaned right there. Yeah, just tough that I broke even twice, then that descent lower is just fucking nasty, bro. That would have been a great entry right there. I don't know if I would have, like, I don't know if that counts as a miss because, yes, I didn't see, could have gone low. I don't know. Let me make an excuse for myself. Yeah, I mean that was basically it right there. That one. 10-11 short. So. Alright, boys. Peace.